Hi, I'm Beth Kingston, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute candy corn garland using scraps of paper and your Xyron Create a Sticker Mini. So I've taken 3 colors of paper, white, yellow, and orange, cut them into triangles, and then rounded the corner of the triangles, and then I cut the yellow and the orange into smaller shapes, and now I'm going to layer the 3 of those together. So the very first thing I'm going to do is take my white triangle, lay it down on the table, and I'm going to put my twine on top of it. And I've already created a couple other pieces of candy corn, so I'm adding this one to the end. So now I'm going to take my Create a Sticker Mini, and I'm going to put 1 yellow and 1 orange piece into the machine. So I'm going to tilt it up so I can see down in there. Turn the handle. And then once I've seen the yellow piece go through, I can go ahead and put in the orange piece. And once those are through, I just tear that off, recenter my twine. I'm going to take the yellow piece first and lay it right down on top of my white triangle. And that's going to hold the twine into place. And I'll go ahead and add my orange piece to make my candy corn. And you can just repeat this over and over and over until you have a garland the length that you would like. For more great project ideas, come check us out on Xyron.com.